Okay guys, thought I'd do a video update this time just to show you the new 500 that I've done, or my version of. What I've done is change the motor position, so instead of being mounted at the bottom of the frame, it's now at the top, which I will show you why later on when it goes into the fuselage. Obviously, to get the motor into that position, I've had to reposition the motor mount from these screws here up to the top there. Okay, and obviously I've had to move the aileron and pitch servos, so what I've done is made up these little brackets and then repositioned those so they are still in the same alignment, so geometry wise the head is all still the same. Obviously you can see the battery position has changed, more of like a 600 size position, and I've also managed to get rid of that small coffee table that I had positioned in between the skids. So my regulator is on that side, and if I turn it round you can see the ESC is on the side there. At the moment I'm still running with the, if I can get it in there, the GP 780 gyro. There he is at the bottom of the frame there. Now I will be swapping this with the one, or the gyro out of my ESP, which currently is inside the frame. It's a CSM gyro, so I think that that's going to be better suited for scale purposes, and my GP780 will be better in my ESP. And that's exactly what I've done with the motors. You can see the 500M is now in my ESP, and then the 500L is in the scale. Now at the moment with this motor I'm running with a 12 tooth pinion, which I may well swap with an 11 toothed one. I do have a flybarless system which will be put in when I obviously get a 4-bladed head. Now the system I've got is the Skookum SK360, which is a 2-axis gyro, so that's why I'm going to put the CSM gyro for my ESP into this one. Okay, so I'm just going to go and give it a little test hover.